Hello, and welcome to the 7th video in the Desmos explanation videos. Today's video is about Unit 1, Lesson 7, Off the Grid, Part 2. The main idea of this is that you have to decide what measurements you need to make in order to find the area of a triangle when that triangle is not drawn on a grid. Okay, so remember that the idea of finding the area of a triangle is that it is going to be half of a parallelogram. So I'm just going to take this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. And I'm going to move that up to here and draw 6 centimeters. And then connect those pieces. And that makes the parallelogram. Now the base of the parallelogram is down here. That's 6. But remember the height, centimeters, remember the height has to go straight up and down. So the height in this case goes right there, and that is 1, 2, 3 centimeters. So I'll get rid of these lines because those make the parallelogram. Which two measurements do you need? You need to have one of the sides and then this. Oops. This has to be a right angle, and that makes it the measurements that you need to find the area of this triangle. So the area of this triangle are going to be 6 times 3 divided by 2. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So it is 9 square units. Now we can do that differently. We could do 6 times 3 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 3 is 9 square units. That works just as well. Or we could do 3 times 3, having done, is 9 square units. That is the key. But remember, the key to this is you need one of the sides and something at a right angle. I could have done this side and then drawn a right angle there, or I could have done right angle there with this side. All of those are correct. You need one side and a right angle. So, which of these are correct ways to find the area of this triangle? So you want to find one side and a right angle, and that will be the numbers that you want to use. So I'm going to give you a chance to do it on your own. Do it on your own, pause the video, turn it back on when you're ready to see the answers. Pause. Okay, you've returned. Well, I see 12, right angle 4, so 12 times 4 is 24 square units. I see 6, right angle 8, so I want 6 and 8. 6 times 8 divided by 2 is 24 square units. Those two are the correct numbers. 4 and 8, neither one is a side. 6 and 4, they're not at a right angle. 12 and 8 are not at a right angle. And 4 and 8, and 6 and 4, nothing else works. Those are the only two. And one other hint, of course, is that those two are the only ones with the same area. And since it's only one triangle, it can only have one area. That's the idea. I hope it makes sense to you. Remember to ask your teacher if you have